The recent rise in local COVID cases has fueled demand for rapid tests, which can cost more than 300 NT apiece.
To boost supply and lower prices, the government will send soldiers to support production at local factories. The health minister says that the government will bring down the price of rapid test kits to no more than 200 NT.
Have you used a rapid test before? I've taken PCR tests. There are two things in the box. One of them is this solvent. After you take a swab with a cotton bud, you put it in here.
KMT lawmaker Lai Shyh-bao gave a demo on how to use a rapid test, but after dropping the kit multiple times, the premier asked him to cut to the chase.
You really are intent on using all your precious time to show us this. Minister, during an interview this morning, you said you wanted to bring down the price of rapid tests to 200 NT or less, but that's still expensive. The Bank of Taiwan can buy tests for 59 NT apiece. The government has requisitioned tests already, and there is a supply platform and a supply contract. We want to achieve sufficient supply and stable prices.
The recent uptick in local COVID cases has fueled demand for rapid tests. The health minister says the government will bring prices down from about 300 NT to less than 200 NT. But one lawmaker says tests are even cheaper abroad.
In the UK, they cost 75 NT. In Singapore, they're about 120 NT. But they also have some for 100 NT or 120 NT. So we hope that by establishing this rapid testing national team, we can produce high-accuracy tests that cost the same as international brands, so that everyone can have access to tests.
The lawmaker added her voice to the call for a rapid testing national team. To bring test prices down, the Defense Ministry is calling up reserve duty service members across the country to support production. Around April 18th, these service members will be posted to rapid test factories. The first phase of this support program will last for 2 months, and the goal is to produce state-funded rapid tests for COVID hotspots. Many of the service members called up will be those who made face masks for Taiwan in 2020. In the early days of the pandemic, when face masks were in short supply, reserve duty service members were sent to boost production at mask factories. They were able to achieve their production targets within 2 months. Now they're mobilizing again to help get Taiwan past another pandemic hurdle.